Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we'll be analyzing the three Web 3.0 tokens, or altcoins you can say it, that can go massive in this upcoming bull run. So the first token that I have on my list is Reef, and current price of Reef is resting at 0.0021 USDT, and the current market price market cap is at 48.4 million USDT. The supply, we can see the circulating supply is at 22.8 billion. So talking about the chart over here, let's quickly show you the chart over here. The chart is on a weekly time frame, so we can see that there's a nice breakout taking place, and if you wish to enter this altcoin, then a price between 0.00313 to 0.0021, the current market price, right? That will be a very good range to enter it, and if we see any downshift coming in, then you can accumulate this. But let's talk about the target. That's something very important for us. If we see Reef reaching to its all-time high, which is close to 0.005 USDT, then we'll be gaining almost 3,500%, which will be close to 35x by the end of this bull run. So that's the expectation we can keep it on Reef. The second altcoin that I have is GTC. The current price is at 1.32 USDT. Talking about the market cap, it is at 87.7 million USDT, and the circulating supply is at 66.2 million. So talking about the chart over here, you can see it how perfectly it is rallying right now. Actually, it has broken this falling wedge, and we can see the rally taking place. So let me just quickly shift it over here. So buying this altcoin between 0.82 to the current market price will be a very good range to enter, because it is something that is at the initial stage right now, where we can see the breakout taking place, right? You know what I mean. So on this token, if we see the price reaching to its all-time high close to $26, right, then we can assume that we'll be making close to 2600% profit over here, which will be close to 26x, and that is a very good return in my point of view. So the last token that I have, the altcoin I must say on my list, is CKB, right? We call it Nervous Network. So the price of Nervous Network is at 0.0036, and the market cap is at 157.1 million USDT. The circulating supply is at 43.2 billion, right? That's the supply that we have it right now. And talking about the chart, let me quickly show you the chart over here. Here's the chart for you guys, and as you can see it on the screen right now, we can see it, the similar pattern that which was in a breakout taking place. GTC, a breakout taking place. Same goes for the CKB, a breakout is taking place over here right now. So the current price is at 0.0036, as we have talked about it, and buying this token or altcoin between the range of 0.0025 to the current market price will be an absolute good entry point for us. So talking about the accumulation, the all-time high, if we see CKB reaching to that level, it will be close to 0.036, which will be a 1300% gain. That means 13x you'll be gaining out of this. So these are the three tokens that are on my list right now, and let's do a simple calculation over here. Let me take you to this Excel sheet over here. I've mentioned the current details. As you can see, it's 00, but actually it's not 0. If I do this, you can see it is showing 0.002, and then over here 0.0034. So that's the price, current price that is there right now on GTC. GTC has actually increased. It has gone to 3.2. So let me change it to 3.2, right? So if I change it to 3.2, then we will see it over here. So the circulating supply is mentioned over here. The total market cap, we can see it. So we'll be anticipating the all-time high that we can reach. So if on Reef we'll be reaching the all-time high at 0.05, then the anticipated market cap will be reaching 1 billion, right? And if we're investing only $1,000 on Reef, that means on these three tokens, if we're investing only $3,000, right, 1,000 each, then with 1,000 investment with the current market price over here, you'll be getting close to 50,000 altcoins, right? And as you're receiving 50,000 altcoins, and if you would like to see, the same goes for GTC, that you're investing $1,000, you'll be receiving 758 GTC. And then same goes for CKB. With $1,000 investment, you'll be receiving 294,118 CKB altcoins, right? So what will be the profit if we're expecting this anticipated price or all these altcoins to reach to its all-time high level? Then the profit that you'll be expecting here will be simply doing the multiplication here with this anticipated price, and you can see it on the screen. And you can see it pretty clearly that with an investment of $1,000, you'll be receiving 24,500 by the end of this bull run, or whenever we see REEF reaching to its all-time high level, or all these three altcoins reaching to its all-time high level, right? On GTC, you'll be receiving 19,697, and then on CKB altcoins, you'll be receiving 10,588. So if we calculate this, sum it up, then you'll be seeing that you'll be making a profit of close to 51,000 US dollars. So that's the profit expectation we can keep it with just a very bare minimum investment of $3,000 just on these three altcoins, right? So this is not a gimmick, this is not something that I'm making up, but this is actually something that can happen in this upcoming bull run, because we can see it, that how perfect this charts looks. And obviously, if you would like to look at the tokenomics, you can go to CoinMarketCap, you can check all the tokenomics, the exchanges which are available, their websites and everything, right? So all the details I mentioned here. What I want you guys to do is, before making investment on this altcoins or getting into this altcoins, try to do a lot of research on this, try to do your own analysis, look for more videos related to this, and then if you feel like or if you are convinced enough to invest, then you're good to go. So that's the piece of advice I'll be giving from my end, because this video is only for educational purpose and it is not a financial advice. So thank you guys for tuning in, thank you for staying till the end. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.